What is up, everybody? My name is Spencer, and this is American Electrician. On today's video, we're going to do a KC tool haul, including some Knipex and some Wera. I've been waiting for months for this package, so I'm super excited and I can't wait to open it. If you're new to the channel, first of all, welcome. And secondly, I just want to let you know what this channel is about. We mostly do electrical how-tos and tool reviews, gear reviews, tool bag reviews. You name it, and we're going to do a review on it if you use it in a trade. So I just want to let you guys know that. Hit that subscribe button if that's something you're interested in, and let's get to it. Alright, so KC Tools, great company. They sell a lot of quality tools. Check them out. Shipping's pretty fast, as long as you get something that's in stock. Obviously, they can't ship you something that's not in stock. That is the same way with any company that you go to. But today, two of my favorite brands, Wera and Knipex. Can't say enough about these two, but I did finally pick up a set of these color-coded Allen keys. These are the metric, and this actually was on sale on Black Friday, I believe, and that's how long I've been waiting for these. So this set, and I didn't realize it, but I have a set of Wera Allen keys, and they are not this heavy, but these are pretty large, as you can tell if I can get this to focus. Super quality. They have the ball end on the long end and the regular style head on the smaller end. And this does open up and then close just like that, so that's pretty cool. The coating on this is like a plastic almost, so that's nice. And then obviously all the Wera stuff comes in some pretty cool boxes. Doesn't really matter for the effectiveness of the tool, but you do usually get a sticker with it as well. So now, time for the thing I've been waiting for months. These were on back order in Germany for forever, and I finally get to test these out. These are the Knipex wire strippers. I do have the model number. That is the model number. Obviously American gauge, AWG for me. But these things are supposed to be monsters, and I don't know how to work this yet. This is a really strange. So just to be honest with you, right out of the gate, that was hard to close. Probably just me getting used to it. It is much easier to open. I'm sure that gets easier. It has to. And a little bit of squeakiness too. I will do a full review on these separately, but I love these handles. The Comfort Grip handles from Knipex are amazing. Nice flat head there, a little bit thicker than I like on wire strippers, but the cutters on these are supposed to be amazing, and I cannot wait to try these out tomorrow. Alright, well, that is going to wrap up this one. A review of these will be coming out soon, probably a comparison with the installation pliers. These things are super cool, so hopefully this lock wears in a little bit, get some of that WD-40 on it, hopefully get it loosened up a little bit. So I appreciate it, you guys. Let me know what you guys think of this. Hopefully going to end up doing some more of these soon, but I appreciate it. Thanks, guys. I'll see you on the next one.